We are describing lesson 5 of geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. In the previous video, we discussed about the mangrove forest. Now we will start mountainous or mountain forest. But in the different heights of mountains, we have different variety of vegetation. It means on the mountains, as we go on heights, temperature change, amount of precipitation change, so variety of plants also change. So in the mountainous area, we can say we have tropical to tundra type of vegetation. Now mountain forests, on the different heights, as we discussed, the different variety of plants are found. For example, on 1000 to 2000 meter height, there are wet temperate forests like oaks and chestnut. Between 1500 to 3000 meter height, there are the temperate forest. For example, pine, silver fir, spruce, etc. If we go on more height, 3000 to 3600 meter, there are the temperate forest, because this area is known as temperate region, and there will be the grasslands also. Beyond 3600 meter, the size of vegetation becomes small. Mainly there are the shrubs and scrubs. And more height, there will be alpine grasslands. If we will reach near the snow cap or polar area, there will be few inch size vegetation such as mosses and lichens. And common animals of mountainous forest area are like Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, yak, snow leopard, shaggy horn wild ibex, bear, sheep and goats with thick hair. And in the alpine grassland area, there are many nomadic tribal people, because these grasslands are used for the grazing of animals. So which are the major tribal communities which are found in the alpine grassland area? Mainly there are the Gujars and Bakarwals. After the type of vegetation, we will discuss now about the endangered species and wildlife of India. What do you mean by endangered species? Endangered means which are near extinction. There are so many variety of plants and animals which are near extinction. After some time, they may be finished if we will not protect them, we will not conserve them. Such species which are near extinction, these are known as endangered species. Now, we will describe about the wildlife of India. In the different areas of India, we have different variety of wild animals. So, we will discuss the habitat of these animals also. For example, elephants. Elephants are found in hot and dense forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. In the heavy rainfall areas, we have elephants. Rhinoceros, they are found in the swampy and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Lions, their natural habitat is Gir forest in Gujarat. Tigers, they are found in Madhya Pradesh, Sundarban Delta of West Bengal and Himalayan areas. Camels, mainly found in the Thar Desert. Wild ass, that is found in Run of Kutch in Gujarat. And there are so many animals which are found in the Himalayan region. Mainly they are found in the Ladakh region also, like yak, shaggy horned wild dogs, Tibetan antelope, wild sheep and goat. And snow leopards, red panda also found in certain areas of Himalayan region or Ladakh region. Now we will start usage or importance of animals. Animals, they are very important for us. They give us milk. They provide us different products like meat and egg. Even they are used for the transportation purposes also. Fish, that provide us nutritious food, like they give us protein. And there are so many insects and birds which help